Are you getting anywhere close to it?
I don't know, man.
Looks like you're way not near it.
I'm up here, which is kind of cool. I'm gonna get the handle.
Oh,
Maybe.
you're gonna go for the window?
Yeah. Oh fuck! I got the backpack. No, I don't. I always think I have the backpack. It is, man. It's like a super fucking asshole claw machine. Dude, this is fun. I'm kind of glad it happened. Dude, that's a gnarly hook at the end. It bent when I pushed it in.
You see it bent when you pushed it in?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Sorry about that, dude.
I forgive you.